Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Seedream 4.0. If you want to use the Seedream 4.0, which is the AI model to generate images, then I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to simply go to a browser, and once you're there, you have to simply search for imagine.ai. Once you have searched for it from the result, you will land onto its website, and this will be the interface you will see. First, you have to simply sign up using your email address, and once you do it, you will be able to use it. They have different features like different sort of image generations. You can go to any one of these. It will take you to the Seedream 4.0. This is the available version they have of the Seedream. Once you have done it, you will get onto this page. You can see it says Seedream 4.0, and there you can simply start generating the image. So basically you can write your prompt up here, and after that it will take you the further page where you can add different options through which you will be able to generate the image. So once you get to this page, now we also have the option to add image as a reference. So you can upload an image of your choice, and then you will be able to see the Seedream 4.0 or with the V4, which is the version 4. And then you can choose the aspect ratio, and after that you can select how many images you want. And once you're done, then you can click on this option generate, and after that it will generate the image for you. Then it will just take a while, and after that the image will be created. Then you can open it up and can see how it turned out. So that's how you will be able to use Seedream 4.0. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.